Hi, today I'm going to show you how to assemble a balloon stand for your next event in 6 easy steps. It's easier than you think. So when it comes to blowing up a balloon, you can either do it manually, use one of Spotlight's trusted balloon pumps, or use our inflation station service in-store. All the materials you need for this project are available at Spotlight. You'll need 20 latex balloons in one colour, another 20 latex balloons in another colour, a modelling balloon, an Orbs foil balloon, an electric balloon pump, a balloon sizer box, and a telescopic balloon stand. Fill the base of the telescopic stand with water and place the stainless steel rod in the center hole, and then adjust the rod to your desired height. Today I'm doing it at this height just to demonstrate. Get 2 balloons in the same colour and then inflate them. And then using a Spidey's balloon sizer box, size your balloons to 10 inches or whichever size you want. And then tie them together to form a pair. Make another pair of balloons using another colour in the same size. And repeat step 2. Grab both pairs of balloons and then overlap the necks, and then twist one balloon around a balloon of the other colour to form a cluster. So take your balloon cluster and add it to the stand, and then continue the process until you're all the way up to the top. Inflate the Orbs balloon, and using a modelling balloon, tie off the neck securely. Feed the modelling balloon through the holes of the cup and secure the balloon. Then secure the white cup at the top of the telescopic balloon stand to finish. Spray the balloon stand with aerosol treatment spray either outdoors or with a type cover on the floor to add extra shine and gloss. This is just one of the projects you can make with Spotlight. It's easier than you think.